Most people get crypto exchanges wrong because they assume they are all the same. Today, I'm sharing my honest experience using DigiFinex and what you need to know before trading. DigiFinex is a global cryptocurrency exchange offering spot trading, futures, staking, and more. It supports over 300 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. The first thing that stood out to me was the clean interface. Charts are interactive, trading pairs are easy to find, and order execution is fast. Most people get this wrong by thinking all crypto exchanges are confusing, but DigiFinex keeps it simple enough for beginners, while still offering advanced tools for experienced traders. Fees are competitive. Spot trading fees start at 0.2%, and using their native token, DFT, can reduce fees even further. The surprising truth is that fee discounts for using DFT can save frequent traders hundreds of dollars over time. Withdrawal fees are standard, and the platform clearly displays them before confirming a transaction. Security is a top priority. DigiFinex uses cold storage for most funds, two-factor authentication, and withdrawal whitelist features. During my usage, I never experienced issues, and the platform actively monitors for suspicious activity. Customer support is decent, but not perfect. Email responses averaged about 24 hours, and live chat was sometimes unavailable. For urgent issues, response time can be a limitation. Most people underestimate this when choosing an exchange, but it's worth noting. The mobile app is smooth and allows trading on the go, which is convenient for active users. Staking and lending options are also integrated, allowing you to earn passive income on certain crypto holdings. In conclusion, DigiFinex is a reliable exchange for beginners and experienced traders alike. Most people get crypto platforms wrong by worrying about complexity, but DigiFinex balances usability, security, and features well. Subscribe for more crypto reviews and tips to trade safely and smartly.